Good day, guys. How are we doing? So today's tutorial is not hard. Let's just continue. So we're going to divide the gele into two, which is 50-50. Then you can see that I'm trying to bring step to the front. It'll be like 3 or 4 steps to the front. Yeah, 3 or 4. If your gele is 4 pieces, you can bring like 6, because this one is 3, so you can bring like 6 steps to the front. So just continue washing. You can try this yourself and you will get it very easy, very easy. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you have not followed me, try to follow me on my Facebook page, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe. Thank you so much. Please, guys, help me by sharing my video. Please always help me share. Always help me share my video, guys. Please, guys, always help me share. Help me share, please. So we're going to tie it from that place. After tie it, then that place you will use the other hand to cross the heart to cover it. Then you put that one inside. Then okay, we're going to bring it outside the back. That is it. So the remaining and that second one, and just soak it inside that place. Yes. Then the second one also, you do it like that. It's very easy. Very easy. Then you take that one to the back. Yeah. So that the one I hold, I'm going to use pin to pin it. Yeah. So I have to arrange that one too. Alright, guys, continue watching. If today is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe, follow my page on Facebook, and also help me to share my video. Please, guys, please, I'm begging. So guys, see now, see how beautiful it is. So I just adjust to the front. It's not easy to wrap a gele on your head by yourself. It's not easy. So guys, please help me share my video, please. So guys,